Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie. I'm at Horrocks, and if you're not local to me, which most of you aren't, it's like take a farmer's market, mix it with a grocery store, and you get the best of both worlds. I've made a few videos on there. Usually I'm with my family, but today I have time to kill in Battle Creek, which is where the store is, and I'm going to grab some snacks and Easter basket goodies for my kids. I'm going to be out on spring break the week leading up to Easter, so I need to get this knocked out, and what better way than when I have time to kill? So let's get into the store. I'm excited to be here by myself. I'm gonna grab a free coffee that I discovered last time as I walk around, find some goodies, and I can't wait to share with you and shop with you. Let's go. Got my free coffee. Decaf hazelnut mixed with the house blend. One thing I've never noticed before are their giant piñatas they have here. Not gonna get one, but kind of fun. For our road trip, I'm gonna get my husband these pork cracklins. They're hot, $3.59. Always my favorite is seeing all of their holiday fun items on display here. Very festive, Eastery looking things. I'm not sure that it all warrants the price asked. For instance, real eggshell filled with chocolate for $7.75. Pretty, but I'll pass. Again, these are super cute, but not at that price. I am gonna get 3 of these Unicorn Dew candy dispensers. My kids will think they're goofy, and they're only $1.99 a piece. Very similar. I'm gonna get them these candy jackpots, $1.99 each, 3 more of them. These chocolate covered Peeps are $1.39 each. I'm gonna get 3 of those. Last time I was here, I got those Muddy Buddies. No regrets. They're so delicious. They're my favorite. I'm tempted again, but I'm going to walk away. Okay, so these are actually quite expensive. They're $6.09 a piece, but I think my kids would really like them. Strawberry white chocolate, and peanut butter milk chocolate. I'm gonna get 1 for each kid, so 3 all together, but I am gonna go against what I normally do and get 3 different flavors. I'm gonna leave out the dark chocolate. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna get peanut butter milk chocolate for my son and strawberry white chocolate for both the girls. My kids love Muddy Buddies when I get them, so I know they'll love these Muddy Bunnies. $1.99 a box. I'll get 3. These are $5.29. I'm gonna get them for our road trip. Sour Belts. It's an entire box, and I think it'll be easy for us to keep these protected in the car, but better than buying like gas station candy. They have lots of flavors, but I'm getting the rainbow pack. They have the pencil or the belts. More of the fun Easter decor. They actually have some of these really cute baskets pre-made. That looks like it was for Valentine's Day, but really cute stuff up here. Okay, this is my husband's request for the trip. He knew I was coming here and he asked me to get the blue licorice, $3.99. Okay, I'm also gonna get these 3 peekaboo chicks. A chocolate egg with a chick in the middle. They're $2.29. I'm going to get a strawberry and cream and an orange cream just to open the bags and put them in the bottom of my kids' baskets. $3.79 a piece. I used to love these when I was a teenager. I would keep the strawberries and cream in my locker and people would stop by and grab them. So it's a very nostalgic purchase for me. They have a weigh station and containers here. I'm gonna get some bay leaves, but they have so many spices here. By the pound, you weigh it, they have the numbers, a little sticker, but I need bay leaves. $28.99 a pound. If you've seen these in prior Aldi videos, you guys know I love the world's smallest toys. They're $7.99 here, which is obviously way more than when Aldi sells them for $3.99, but I think it's such a fun gift. I am definitely gonna get these, so I'm gonna look through and I'll tell you which ones I pick at the end. Okay, so I picked playing cards for my middle daughter because she does magic tricks with cards and I think she'll love them. I got skip bow for my middle daughter, although I actually think I'm gonna switch to this. I think she'll like that and find it funny. Woolly Willy. Shoots and ladders for my son who loves the game Shoots and Ladders still, so I think he'll really get a kick out of that as well. I am going to stay away from this, even though it is literally something that I love buying my kids. Thinking Aaron's putty, slimes. They're such high quality. My kids love them, but honestly, I know we don't need more, so I'm gonna stay away, but they have such a great selection here. I'm gonna get a 2-pack of these. They're $6 for my girls' hair for detangling hair in the shower. So I think that'd be good. Both my girls have longer hair. Last time I was here, I got this ghost pepper cheese dip, and holy moly, some things call themselves hot and they're not. This is hot. It's good, but it is so hot. They have all these different popcorns from Amish country, it says. And so we're gonna get 3 of these. We make a lot of popcorn at home. And I'm gonna get purple, red, and then rainbow. So they're $3.79 each, and we'll just eat them as a family, but put 1 in each Easter basket. So red, there's purple, and the rainbow has a mixture. It smells so beautiful over here. Back in the floral section, they have so many beautiful arrangements, boutonnieres, corsages. You can tell prom is coming. Just so many beautiful flowers. Really love walking by here. It smells amazing. Okay, here is everything that I got. My basket's full, my coffee's gone, so I guess I'm done. Any guess on the total? Okay, the total is $107.30. I feel like I got a great start to our Easter baskets. I'll finish off at Aldi, and I had a lot of fun, so woohoo! If you want to see me come to Horrocks with my entire family and see what each of us picked out for snacks at a movie night, you can check out this video right here. Horrocks is fun. They have lots of fun foods. I come here for the unique items and the family bonding, and you can see it all right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.